Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness is grayed out in Game Booster on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's start. So you can see I have my Gaming Hub app opened, and if I go to Game Booster, go to block during game, you can see auto brightness is grayed out and I'm not able to turn it on. So how to fix it, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial. So just swipe down from the top and then tap on settings icon and then scroll down a little bit and then tap on display, and you can see here we have adaptive brightness, this option. So we have to turn it on. So to turn it on, you have to turn on this toggle button next to it. So to turn on this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned on. And if I go in there, you can see auto brightness is not grayed out and I'm able to turn it on or turn it off. So that's it, it's now fixed. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.